Hello, friends. It is something like April 26th, April 25th. I don't know. It'll say the right thing up there. I cannot remember the last time that I sat down and did an update of this whole office construction situation, like just talking to the camera. I know that I have filmed a bunch of clips and odds and ends of the process as it's been going on, all of the chaos and the changes that have been happening around me. I just came down here to my actual office to check and see what it looked like. They have piled all my furniture, all my things in here, in the closet. So you can see the baseboard strip was removed, carpet totally gone. So I've tried to film bits and pieces of that, but I'm actually in a different office now, not my actual office, but different from the temporary one that I was in before, but this one is still temporary. So I'm still on the third floor. They moved me about 2 rooms further down from where I was originally relocated to. I was told initially April 1st would I'd be able to go back to my office, but it is now moved to, it's April 26th and I'm still here and I've since been moved. But they did move all my stuff down here for me, which was nice. We didn't rehang the artwork or anything like that. So it's a little bit makeshift in here right now, but I felt like it was only going to be a couple more weeks. I've been in here, God, I don't know if this is my 4th week in this office now. But anyway, it just didn't seem worth it to go and buy more of the command hooks and hang all the stuff. And I've just been kind of making do with what I've got. But I did finally get official notice 2 days ago, maybe it was yesterday, that I can move back into my own office. Sorry. I'm a little bit excited. So I have been scheduled for a move-in date, which is May 5th. That is a week from this coming Friday. The 2nd floor, where my actual office is still under construction. So when I move back down there, my space will be done. I actually went and checked it out a couple of days ago. It had been carpeted, the ceiling had been done, they had primed the walls, but it still needed some paint, so I'm assuming they're gonna get that done. Either they've done it already this week or it'll be done early next week. So my room will be done. But there's still a lot going on around me. So as I lived through the construction up here, which quite honestly was not that terrible, although it looked really crazy at times, with ceilings hanging out and wires everywhere and tons of machinery and equipment and people and just craziness happening. I never had any super duper loud days while I was actually here. I have heard from a lot of other people that there were super loud crazy days, but being that I'm only here 3 days a week and 2 of those days I'm here just in the evenings, it didn't seem to be really disruptive for me. I'm hoping that's going to be the case when I get back downstairs into my own office and that there's not a lot of disruption. I think that they're about 70% done down there. One of the major things that has to be completed still are the hallway floors. They're going for some kind of like modern industrial look. So they have left the floors like concrete and put this like glossy kind of finish on them, which is interesting. I filmed kind of a bit of that process as they did it here on the 3rd floor. Hey there. It is about 4:30. This is a Wednesday. I would normally be here for another appointment or maybe even 2, but they are having us leave. We cannot come in the building from 5 p.m. tonight until 8 a.m. Monday morning as they are refinishing the concrete floors in the hallway, getting them painted or stained or something. I don't really know exactly. I'm interested to see on Monday morning when I get back what those floors are going to look like. And this is what it's currently looking like right outside my door. This thing will be involved in the floors, I'm guessing. And they're just waiting for me to get out of here so they can get to work at 5 o'clock on these floors. But yeah, we have a ceiling. By Monday, we'll have floors. So it's Monday. I'm being quiet because I'm in the hall. Have been here working most of the day. And I wanted to show you guys an update on what these floors look like currently. So this is the section that was like a big hump, and it's still kind of not even. But you can see the shininess where the light's hitting. They've like glazed it over or sealed it with something. But there's still all this variation in color and texture. I don't know if they're done. According to the emails and stuff that we've been sent with updates, it would appear that that's finished, but it does not look good to me. Those are the finished floors. I confirmed with the receptionist. I asked her, I was walking down the hall, she was out there, and I was like, oh, so are these floors finished? She said, yeah. I don't know if this is some kind of like aesthetic thing that I am not privy to. It looks like a warehouse or a factory floor or something, and I'm not digging the vibe. And so no, it's not exactly my taste. That is a really loud process, and because they use these like buffer machines. And so when that happens, when they put the gloss or whatever it is on there, the sealant, they have to kick us out for about 5 days for that process. So I know at some point that's going to happen once I get back into my office. So I will have to live through that. And another thing they're going to be doing in the near future is renovating the bathroom on the second floor, which is right next door to my office. And that's going to be inconvenient for one, the noise and, you know, it being loud, and also it being inaccessible and unusable during that renovation, because obviously I wash my hands before and after every single appointment. I use that restroom myself. My clients use that restroom. I don't know what, I'll probably end up shutting down shop during that renovation. The other thing is the main elevators that we use in the main lobby is still closed down and probably will be for a couple more months. So my clients are still going to have to enter through the side of the building, a different entrance, and walk all the way around. And we'll all still be sharing the one elevator until those main elevators in the main lobby are fixed. Our break rooms, our conference rooms, all that stuff is still under repair. The gym that we normally have access to, or the self-improvement center, which is in the basement of the building, that is still under construction. So it's a long way to go still yet. But for me, the road is getting closer and closer to home. I have just, 3 more days essentially working in this space next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then it'll be time for me to move downstairs. I am not looking forward to moving all my stuff back downstairs from here and then unpacking all those boxes out of my closet, which is so much stuff. At least it was an opportunity to clean everything out and get rid of all that trash and all that junk that I didn't need that was stored in my closet for 10 years. But yeah, I've got to go and do all that next Friday. I mean, I'm probably just basically gonna move everything down there Friday morning. I will come back Sunday and actually like unpack and set up my stuff, and like I don't know if I'm gonna redesign my space. It's hard because even though that office is bigger than this one, it's still not a huge space, and so things only kind of fit in there a certain way and work a certain way, and especially the table and the treatment area. I have fiddled around with the office area itself in the past, and things have moved slightly in the 10 years that I've been in there. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna change anything or not. But we'll see what inspiration strikes me. Anyway, that was a lot of rambling and talking, and I don't know if I'll use this whole clip. And I don't know if this video is going to end here, or if I'm going to add in that moving process into this video as well, or if I'll save it for the next one. But I appreciate you guys coming along for the ride with me. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I'm going to have a lot of other videos coming up very soon. I'm going to be doing a neck and shoulders routine, a draping techniques video, hot stones, a raindrop technique with oils, some Reiki and energy work, chakra healing videos. So I have a ton of content that I'm planning and that I have coming up for you guys, but I have been hibernating. I hibernated all winter. I did make a lot of fun videos on my other channel, which I will link in the description box down below. And I hope you all have a wonderful day or night. And as always, make sure you do something to take care of yourself. Bye.